Hi guys, compliments of the night. This is Clinton from God's Hand Studios, and I came at night to share this because good things are reviewed at night. Because I'm about to dish out values that will blow your mind like. But first, let's roll the intro. I know you didn't expect that intro, but we'll do better in the outro. So here's the good news. I'll be teaching you guys almost everything I know, both in cinematography, lighting, editing, and my personal creativity secrets, all for free. Absolutely for free. Now, I've been successfully tutoring cinematographers both in and out of Nigeria. But here are a few reasons why I'm making this tutorial. Number one is there are sincere people who really want to learn this skill, but they are limited by funds. Number two is that there are many good cinematographers out there that are professionals in their work, but there are not many good teachers. And also, it is required that you should be very good and grounded with the basics before you follow through what the professionals are doing out there. The fourth is that it got to a point in my career where if I'm to meet up with the whole tutorial offers that are coming my way, both the personal tutorials and online tutorials, I will have to quit almost everything I'm doing to attend to the tutorial, because I obviously can't attend to all those things.
Hi.
We no go kill ourselves for the work, bro. And the fifth reason why I'm making this tutorial is because I love you guys. I beg, who delete that number 5?
No be you.
So for this reason, I'll be doing a free class that will take anyone that is interested from underground to the top. Almost everything I know. By the end of this course, you won't only learn how to do some of the advanced stuff you see out there, but you'll also be able to connect and follow up with what the professionals are doing out there, because this course is designed to make you very grounded with the basics.
Outro.